Hello, I'm John Parker, and I'm working with the business development team specializing in the machine tool industry here at HEIDENHAIN Corporation. I've spent the last 25 plus years working in various departments throughout the company, and for several years now with the product management team. I'd like to take the next few minutes and share with you some exciting news regarding the Acu-Rite brand, starting with the manufacturing move to HEIDENHAIN's North America headquarters in Schaumburg, Illinois. We now have a central location to support manufacturing, production, quality, service, technical support, sales, and marketing, and are committed to deliver the very best products that will enhance all of your manual machine tool applications. So without any doubt, the features and benefits of the Acu-Rite brand will enhance your machine tool productivity, and it continues to be the market leader, strong, dependable, and shop tough. So what's in your shop?